Good morning, friends. This is Shrihasha from Crazy Money with Shri, and I'm going to update you on what is going to happen from the market for today. And today is 18th of September, and let's actually get started with what happened yesterday and what could happen for today. If you are not a part of my YouTube channel, just go ahead and click on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications. Guys, you can go and look at the playlist there. If you are new to the market, I have actually put 5-day program completely for free. You can actually go and access that, so you can have this entire thing about the stock market. Okay, let's get started. Let's look at what happened yesterday. um, if you see, the data which came in the US market was not very supportive, especially the unemployment numbers and the building sales and all. They have a lot of numbers which are actually quite negative, and this is because of which yesterday, if you see, the markets have made a gap down in the US market. S&P has made the first gap down, Dow Jones has made the first gap down, and Nasdaq has made the second gap down. This is something which is very important for us to notice. Now, if this gap is not getting filled, then I don't see that we will be able to move further higher. It is very difficult at this point of time. Looking at the way actually market is behaving, it is trying to hold on to the levels, but will it hold on is a question which is there. Now 3300 on S&P is very important. That is the low which has been made. The only good thing which actually I can see of yesterday's market is it has not broken that low. That is the only good thing which I can see. And today is option expiry for the month for futures and options and all for the US market. So this is one place, if actually market can give a bounce back, it is possible today. There could be some kind of short covering which could happen, but will it happen, will it not happen is the question which we have to say. If we cannot actually see that and we turn up negative, and if we break 3300 on S&P, it is going to be a very catastrophic thing. We may actually see a big sell-off coming in the days to come. Now we need to actually closely watch this. Now looking at the Indian market, and after all this, also one positive thing which I can see, or probably we have to see if this is going to hold on. One positive thing is that not only the Indian markets but all the European markets and the worldwide market have not broken down even after yesterday's big sell-off which has happened in the US market. This is something which has to be seen. So the overall thing, looking at the way actually the future data is showing, is probably will have a flattish kind of a opening, but I am not very sure we are able to surpass this 11,550 to 600 range. That has become a very tight resistance, and every time we are able to go there, there is a big sell-off which is coming. Day before yesterday we had actually moved higher. That turned out to be a false breakout because it couldn't sustain. So until unless we don't actually close above 11,600 for 2 consecutive days, I don't see that this sell-off is over. And until unless the selling is not over, it's not very easy for us to go and do any kind of a buying. And for us to move higher, we need some kind of a news, some kind of positive news which can drive the market, which is lacking at this point of time. There's no much event today. There is some data which is going to come. Probably the data could look good. After the data comes, probably we can see some selling coming in. But overall right now I still see market to be in a range. Now the range we have been trading right now is between 11,400 to 11,600. probably this could be the range for some more time, until unless we break it either on the negative side or on the positive side. For positive side we need more strength, but on the negative side it is quite possible for us to break down. um, I need to see how actually things work. Everything is actually dependent right now on the US market. If US market actually gives that boost up, then probably other countries could have some amount of movement. Otherwise, all other all other indexes doesn't have so much of strength at this point of time. According to me, we will still be in a range. My view right now is a little more on the negative side, will be sideways to negative is what I have the view. So we will take a decision based on how things work. So sell on rallies will be something which I'll be more interested to do at this point of time. There could be some stock specific opportunities which could arise. I will be coming out with my stock trading ideas in the afternoon, so stay tuned guys. If you have not been a part of this YouTube channel, go and click on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon so that I'll see you on the other side. And if you have not been a part of my Telegram group, go ahead and search for Crazy Money with Sri and join this Telegram channel. I'm also starting something specifically for traders. I'm starting a separate private Facebook group, which is going to be, I want only serious people to come there who can take action. So for that I will be charging a very nominal amount of 99 rupees. So I'll be giving all the details in the description. Just go ahead and click on that, take advantage of that, and let your day be profitable, and all the very best. Thank you very much.